I was reading right now, I was actually requesting Allah Rabbul Izzat to please change my heart. A change of heart. A change of heart. What is this change of heart? This change of heart is actually a change of priority. A change of priority. The day the priority changes, everything falls in its place. There was a time when the priority was to make a lot of money. The priority was to be famous. The priority was that everybody should know me, everybody should recognize me. The priority was to make as much dunya as I want. That was a priority. There was a time when this was the priority. So now what happens when you go out in the path of Allah, or somebody comes and does gasht on you and says, please come to the masjid. Why is he calling you to the masjid? Have you ever thought? The whole concept of the effort of Shaykh Ilyas rahimahullah, the whole concept is to change your priority, to change my priority. Once the priority is changed, everything will fall in its place. Yes. Once you and I realize, اعلموا أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال. Once you and I realize what Allah Rabbul Izzat is saying in this ayah, as a musician, this was my priority. What all Allah is mentioning here, these actually were my priorities. أنما الحياة الدنيا لعب ولهو وزينة وتفاخر بينكم وتكاثر في الأموال والأولاد. This was my priority in those times. So you know what Allah is saying over here? Allah is saying, كمثل غيث أعجب الكفار نباته ثم يهيج فتراه مصفرا ثم يكون حطاما. Allah is saying, your priority. Allah says, these are your priorities. What is your priority when you were younger? When you were younger, لَعِبٌ وَلَهْوٌ. You were into games, enjoying yourself. Lahw, doing things which were of no consequence to your life. Neither were they helping you in this world, nor were they of any consequence for you